On guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are being hunted by literal bananas. It's scary. Look, bananas are trying to eat us. Turn around. Tables have turned. So one of us will be picked to be a banana, which tries to kill all the others. Bananas Bash Fun Center. Sure, why not? I've never heard of this one here. Sinister Supermarket, that sounds more fun. Oh, it's about to start! I do not want to be eaten by a banana. A name. Hide from the banana until the exit opens. Your beacon will glow when the banana is near. Got it. Thank you. Okay, so you can crawl with control. I think when it goes blue or red, the banana is close. Sorry for whispering, this is... Just checking. No, he's close. Can I climb this? Probably shouldn't try to. This is really scary. What do you do here? Oh, I think you... Looks like a cake. Let's move, please. There you go. I'm gonna press the button. What does this do? That's one of the puzzles. In 2 minutes. What does that mean? Ah! Hide in here. Is the banana a real person, do you think? He's so close. Yeah, let's just hide in here. I'm scared. No stickies, you suck. There's a banana. Everyone, shh. 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 Can't believe he didn't see us. Yes. Okay, he's gone. I think. Yeah. Ah! I think he's on the other side. Yes! Do you know how scary that was? I was so focused I forgot to say please like and subscribe. So please do that. Please. Please. Or a banana will come and eat you. Well, he'll try to. But if you like and subscribe, then you'll get away. Does that guy have an apple as a banana? Weird. Sinister VIP. VIP chat tag, get more coins when purchasing. Very rare sinister banana. I don't have any money. I don't really want to be a banana. I don't want to be a man eating banana. I want to be a... What do you think bananas eat? Sun? Or, no, they probably don't. Okay. Excuse me, if it's out of order, then why is it so here? Can I find this? Oh. Good boy. This is a creepy thing. Bananas there. Nope. Yep, I'm hiding in here. Okay, he's still really close. No, he is not. No, banana. No. I promise I will never eat a banana again. Okay, he left. It's close. I must hide. Okay. Nice. What happens if you go in? I don't want to find out. Oh no. Hide, hide, hide. Every time someone's eaten, it's because... Yeah. Leave a like if you think we can do this. Comment what game you want me to play next. Could be a different game, like maybe Minecraft or something like that. I very nearly fell. The banana. Banana, 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 banana. Oh no. I'm trying to see. 5 out of 9 people are still alive. Can we do this, boys? Can we? I go like this way. Oh, come on. I think she was. Money! Yes. 1 minute, 20 seconds. The banana is so close. Where is he? Stay in low. Yes! Where's the banana? Yes! 2 escapes in 1 go! I mean, you know. Dude, that guy's banana is purple? What? I swear it's just purple. Look at his hand! Sorry guys, but I'm gonna have to leave it there. So fun, this game. And scary. So, see you guys next time. Bye!